Introducing the Lanco Row Mulcher. Designed specifically for row crop farmers, the Lanco Row Mulcher is high production equipment for applying organic mulch materials with precision. It puts mulch right where you want it and gives you complete control over the depth and width of the application pattern to minimize waste and maximize agronomic benefits. Mulching is especially beneficial for blueberry growers. A single operator can easily mulch several acres of berries in a single day, depending on loading and logistics conditions. Regular applications of organic mulch to blueberries provide a range of important benefits for these shallow-rooted plants. Mulching adds organic matter to the soil, improves soil tilth, and helps maintain a proper pH range. Mulch also suppresses weeds and retains soil moisture. The Lanco Row Mulcher is loaded with standard features that make a big difference. Let's take a closer look. The advanced hydraulic drive system features priority flow control valves, familiar on most of today's state-of-the-art agricultural equipment. This means the operator has complete control of the spreading function at his fingertips. The name of the game is effectively targeting the application. The cost of material and fuel, plus the potential for soil compaction created by making unnecessary trips, makes spreading precision very important. There are two material conveying systems on the Lanco Row Mulcher. The double slatted apron chain moves material from the rear to the front. Double slatting means there are twice as many slats moving the material, resulting in a smoother material delivery system and more even mulch coverage in the final application. The rotating beater loosens any clumps in the material before it drops onto the side conveyor for final delivery to the base of the blueberry plant. The side conveyor is adjusted 4 ways: direction, speed, tilt angle, and the final discharge pattern formed by the directional fins at the end of the conveyor. The side conveyor can discharge to the right or to the left. The operator controls the speed of the side conveyor through the hydraulic system. Tilting the side conveyor is simple, and adjustments can be made by the operator in the field without tools. The directional fins allow the operator to essentially tailor how the mulch will be applied at the base of the plant. Operators learn the proper combinations of adjustments in just a few minutes. Once the settings are made at the beginning of the day to adjust for material and moisture conditions, they typically remain the same for the entire work session. The Lanco Row Mulcher lets you apply a spread pattern in a wide range of depths and widths to perfectly suit your requirements. The low-friction polyfloor helps the apron chain move smoothly and is guaranteed for 10 years against rust and rot. The Super Duty construction includes extra sidewall braces for support, galvanized side panels, heavy channel frame, and oversized components like the pillow block that supports the primary apron chain bearing. The result is equipment that provides reliable service for extra years of service life. The walking beam suspension helps the Lanco Row Mulcher ride on top of the soil instead of digging in when traveling over uneven terrain. This can mean less soil compaction as well as less strain and stress on the body structure. You can adjust the main apron chain bearing so that the apron chain tracks true, which provides smoother operation and eliminates unnecessary wear and tear. On the larger Lanco Row Mulcher models, there are 2 double slatted apron chains to accommodate the heavier loads. There are a range of important options, including a wide range of tires, including high flotation tires. Remote controls are an option that can add operator convenience. The body of a Lanco Row Mulcher can be customized for your requirements. For example, you can have a raised undercarriage for higher clearance requirements. Vertical top extensions can add a certain amount of capacity. For a narrow canopy, you can get straight vertical extensions. A longer hopper box also adds capacity. The side conveyor comes standard with a crescent textured belt. A cleated belt that propels mulch with more force is optional. You can also get a side conveyor that discharges both sides simultaneously. Atlantic Blueberry Company in Hamilton, New Jersey is one of the largest blueberry farms in the world. Bob Galetta is a co-owner and knows a thing or two about blueberries and mulching.
We got about, say, 1,320 picking now. We tear out and replant new varieties. Old fields we take out and redo. It's sandy with a low pH. It's got some areas have higher organic matter than others. The main reason for the mulching is this farm's been operated since 1948. Some of the fields have been changed 3 or 4 times. 40, 50 years of the same crop in the soil, and we want to put back some of the tilth back into the soil. So we grind up some chips, root mulch, and oak leaves in a compost and put it out. And the first thing we noticed is they get greener, then they shoot more growth from the bottom. And I believe also, they retain the moisture, especially on the sandy spots. Right off the bat is the weed suppression, and also we're converting one portion of the farm organic, and that's we just started that, so that's all been mulched twice. So that we're really putting a lot of mulch in there just to keep it down and see how we go. Yeah, that's the only way to get it out efficient. You could, shovel it by hand or try, spreading it with the Lanco. I like Lanco. It's hydraulic. It has some new things I could put out either way, left or right. He's never confined to an area. The gate opens and closes, and mainly it's a heavy-duty chain on the bottom. So far, it's been really a good piece of equipment. This is our second one. So. Oh, this machine definitely is the best one that we've had so far.
Not only is the Lanco Row Mulcher the recommended choice of blueberry growers, it also provides a unique range of options tailored for your growing conditions. For example, nursery growers can use the Lanco Row Mulcher to fill field liners and for pot-in-pot operations. The extended conveyor saves a great amount of time and labor and maximizes material usage by minimizing spills. The special 4-in-1 Lanco bottle has all the same basic features as standard models, but also lets you change attachments for different spreading jobs. The straw beater is for applying straw-based manures. The brush attachment is for applying sand-based top dressing mixtures for turf applications. The double disc spinner applies fertilizer, organic compost, dry line, and similar materials. And the rear discharge conveyor attachment applies mulch just like the standard front discharge models. Just think what a Lanco Row Mulcher can do for your operation. We're ready to custom tailor a machine for your crop and growing conditions. Please contact your Lanco representative today.